How to fix browsers won't open in Windows 11. Hello friends, when this problem occurs, you may not be able to open a browser. I can open Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge, but can't open Opera GX or other browsers like Firefox or Brave. Any browser not opening problems commonly occurs when it is already running in the background, but the application interface doesn't appear. Follow the steps to fix it. Right click on Start, select Task Manager, find Opera GX in the list and end task this browser. Right click, select end task, scroll down and find if other instances are here. If you find Opera GX anywhere, right click and select end task, close the task manager and try to open the browser. The browser will appear. It will open. Sometimes clean start also works in this case. So clean start Windows, click on search, type msconfig, click on system configuration, go to the services tab, check the option hide all Microsoft services, click on disable all, go to the startup tab, then click on the link open task manager, disable all the applications, right click and select disable, right click and disable, disable, disable. All startup apps are disabled now. Close the task manager, click on apply, click on OK. Restart your computer and then check if the browser starts opening now. You can also run chkdsk offline scan command to fix this issue. Click on search, type cmd, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator, click on yes. Go to the video description, you will find these commands there. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Copy the second command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. chkdsk cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restarts? Type Y and press enter. Close the command prompt, close other running tasks and restart your computer. During restarting, the disk checking command will run. Wait for the completion of the process. The issue should be fixed then. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.